Hello my dear students, in this video we are going to study one of the lab programs, that is write a program to find the frequency of a presence of an element in an array. Here you can see I've written in a single line comment, write a program to find the frequency of presence of an element, and then I've written preprocessor directives #include iostream.h, #include conio.h. Now let us define a class. Let us name this one as frequency, curly open brace, and here we are going to declare data members. Let us write array A of 10, then we'll write n and I, and even we will write element. Then we are going to write public access specifier. Here we are going to declare two function members, so that is get data, put semicolon, void put data, and then curly closing brace, put semicolon. Now we are going to define these member function outside of the class definition using scope resolution operator. You just recall the syntax of defining member function outside of the class definition. So first we are going to write the data type, that is void. Then we are going to write the name of the class, that is frequency. Then we are going to put scope resolution operator. Then we are going to write name of the function, that is get data. Here we are going to receive the values as input from the user through keyboard. So we'll ask the user to enter the size of an array. Then scene, we will take n. Then we will write cout, enter the elements. Here we are going to take looping structure for I is equal to 0, I is less than n, then I plus plus. Now we'll write scene, then we'll write a of I, curly closing brace. Then we are going to define the next function member, that is put data. Here we will write again data type, then name of the class, then scope resolution operator, put data, that is name of the function. Next curly open brace. Here we are going to declare a local variable called int count, because which is used to count the same number, how many number of times it has repeated in the given sequence of numbers. So here we will write int count, it is set to 0. So whenever we are going to go for incrementing this one, so it will increment its value by 1. Now we will write cout, enter the element whose frequency is to be checked. Now here we are going to enter element, that is ELE. Now we'll write for looping structure. Here we'll write I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Now we'll write if condition. Here we'll write element double equal to, that is one of the relational operators. We are going to compare the element value with array of I. Now we'll go for incrementing the count, so that is count plus plus. Next we will display cout, that is element to be displayed, and then in a double quotation mark I will write element has appeared, then how many number of times, that is count has got that value, in double quotation mark I'll write times. Here put semicolon, then curly closing brace. Now it is required for us to write the void main function, and here we are going to create the object of this particular class. So here class name is frequency, then I'll create the object of this particular class called as f, then f dot I will fetch get data, then f dot put data, then I'll write get ch function curly closing brace. Now we will press Alt F9 to compile. There are errors, you just need to check it out. Expression syntax, here you can see we made a mistake, it is public. Now again compile, so there is no error. Next we'll go for pressing Ctrl F9. Now you can see it is asking enter the size of an array, so let me type 5. Next enter the elements, we need to enter 5 elements, so let me enter 1, again I'm going to enter 2, now I'm going to 3, again I'm going to enter 3, again I'm going to enter 3. So there are total 5 elements I've already inserted. Now again I'm going to press enter. Now you can see enter the elements whose frequency is to be checked is to be inserted. Now I want to see that how many number of times the 3 has appeared, so I will enter 3. You can see here 3 has appeared 3 times. Here we are going to compile and run this program once again. Now you can see enter the size of an array, again I'm going to press 5. Now I'm going to insert the elements such as 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Now enter the elements whose frequency is to be checked. Now I'm going to enter 4. So you can see in a given sequence of numbers 4 is not present, so it should show me 0. Here you can press enter. Now you can see 4 has appeared 0 times. That's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will see you in the next video.